How to view your Instagram password while you are logged in. So basically, Instagram does not show your password directly inside the app for security reasons, but if you have saved your password in your phone's password manager, like in iOS, then you can view it there. All you have to do is go back to your home screen, and once there, search for the password manager app, and all you have to do is tap on it. You'll be authenticated by your Face ID, Touch ID, or iPhone passcode. Then tap on the passkeys or passwords option available there. And all you have to do is scroll down and look for the Instagram option available there, or you can also tap on the search address bar and type down the Instagram and tap on it. Then all you have to do is see the Instagram saved username and password. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.